inside now, Trevor. Can you explain how you guys can build a trailer that you can roll over 4 times and drive away?
Yeah, this is exactly where all the magic happens. And I can't say this enough. We don't have one process for one trailer and then a smaller trailer. You skimp on the process. All of these trailers, regardless of their size, regardless of how much you're going to spend on them, they're all identical. You know, we've got the little ones and we've got big ones. So here's a bigger car hauler. We're 24 feet of car hauler. Then there's a cargo trailer behind me, and they're put together the very same way. So a 2x8 tube steel, just like your dump trailer, the main rails underneath that are tube, HSS, hollow structural section tube steel. It doesn't twist. It's not going to bend or flex. It's the strength behind it. Then we add the tube cross members, 2x2-inch tube cross members. Then the wall uprights and the ceiling, all tube steel. One of the big advantages, again, is the enclosed wiring. Remember, underneath your dump trailer, there's no wires. Here, the electrical is going to run through the tube, and then it's going to up through the wall and then drop down for the fender marker lights and the tail lights at the back.